Dear children, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Math Academy. This is Abhisha. Today I am going to explain MCQ from chapter 3 matrices part 4. Already I have uploaded this MCQ from chapter 3 part 1, 2 and 3. I will put all link in description box. If you want you can visit. Now let's start. Come. MCQ chapter 3 matrices part 4 subject mathematics standard 12. First question, the matrix A is equal to this one, then A power 6 is equal to 4 options. We have to find A power 6. A is given, we have to find A power 6. We cannot find A power 6 directly, correct. So first you have to find A square. So which is equal to 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Into A, correct. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then you have to multiply as usual. So like this, correct. So 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Then this one. 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Then like this. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Next, this second row and first column, second row, second column, second row, third column like this. So 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Then like this. 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Next like this. So 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Then next like this. So 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Then 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. Then you have to put this symbol, which is equal to here 1, then everything 0, here also everything 0. Here everything 0, here 1 into 1, 1, then here also everything 0. Here 0, then here also 0, here 1. So we got identity matrix, correct. This is identity matrix. If you are multiplying identity matrix with identity matrix, you will get identity matrix only. So A square into A square is equal to again identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here A power 4 is equal to, correct. Then A power 6 is A power 4 into A square. Again we are going to multiply this identity matrix into identity matrix. Here A power 4 is this identity matrix, A square is this identity matrix, correct. So what is the answer? Again identity matrix only. 0 1 0 0 0 1. So which is equal to identity matrix only. So what is the option? Option C is answer. So I am showing this question and answer. If you want you can write. So this is question. Here I multiplied. No need to multiply actually, because identity matrix into identity matrix is identity matrix only. If you want you can multiply. So first you have to multiply A power 4, which is equal to A square into A square. Then you will get this answer. Then again A power 6 is equal to A power 4 into A power 2. Then again you will get identity matrix. So option C is correct. Next move on to second question. One equation they have given. If this equation, then x is equal to minus 1. Is it true, false, can't say, partially true or false. So you have to find x from here. So first of all we have to write equation 1, 3, 4, 5. Then x2, 5, 6. Here multiplication, so 1 into x, then 3 into 2, 6, so x plus 6, then 4 into x, 4x, then 10, which is equal to 5 into 6. No, 2 by 1 matrix, this is 2 by 1 matrix, this is also 2 by 1 matrix, so you can equate corresponding terms, so x plus 6 is equal to 5. From this you can find the value of x. This implies x is equal to 5 minus 6, which is equal to 1, which is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. You will get the answer correct. This also we can check. 4x plus 10, which is equal to this 6. This implies 4x is equal to 6 minus 10, which is equal to minus 4. This implies x is equal to minus 4 divided by 4, which is equal to minus 1. Again we got x is equal to minus 1. So from question, then x is equal to minus 1. True, false, can't say. X is equal to minus 1 we got correct. So what is the answer? What is the option? Option A is correct, true. So I am showing this question and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to third question. Assume x, y, z, w and p are matrices of order 2 by n, 3 by k, 2 by p, n by 3 and p by k respectively. The restriction on n, k and p so that p, y plus w, y will define R. K is equal to these options they have. Here 5 matrices they are given. Then the order of matrices also they are given. From this you have to find the restriction on n, k, p so that p, y plus w, y will be defined R. So first of all you have to find order of p, y, correct. What is order of p? Order of p, here last one, so p by k. Then you have to take order of y. So order of y means second one, so 3 by k. Then we have to write order of py. If you want to write order of py, this k should be equal to 3, correct. So if k is equal to 3, then matrix py is defined, correct. Next you have to find order of w, correct. First you have to write order of w. What is order of w? This fourth one, n by 3. Then you have to find order of y. Order of y they have given the second one, 3 by k. Then you have to write order of wy. Here 3 is equal to 3, correct. So order of wy is n by k. So order of py is p by k, correct. Here order of wy n by k. But we have to find order of py plus wy. When this is defined, here p by k, here n by k, correct. When this is defined, if p is equal to n. If p is equal to n, this py plus wy is defined. So what are the restrictions? K is equal to 3 and p is equal to n. So what is the answer? This k is equal to 3 and p is equal to n. So option A is correct. I am showing question and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to fourth question. If this matrix A is equal to this matrix, then find A transpose. It is 0 matrix, I2 or this one or none matrix. You have to find A into A transpose. The matrix A is given. Then you have to find A into A transpose. So what is A transpose? You have to interchange rows and columns. Okay. So first of all, you have to write A. What is A? Cos x minus sin x, then sin x, cos x. Then you have to find A transpose. A transpose means you have to interchange rows and columns. So cos x sin x will come here. Cos x minus sin x. Then sin x, cos x. Then you have to find A into A transpose, which is equal to, first you have to write A cos x minus sin x, then sin x, cos x into, then you have to write A transpose. So cos x sin x minus sin x, cos x. Then you have to multiply this. So cos square x minus minus plus, so plus sin square x. Here cos x sin x minus sin x cos x. Here sin x cos x, then minus sin x cos x. Here sin square x plus cos square x. So what is cos square x plus sin square x, which is equal to 1. Here this cancel, then here also. So 0, here 0. Again sin square x plus cos square x 1. So we got identity matrix. So 2 by 2 identity matrix. So I2. So what is the answer? Option B is correct. Now I am showing this question and answer. Next move on to fifth question. If this equal to this one, then value of A plus B minus C plus 2D is dash. Here they have given one equation. From this you have to find A, B, C and D. Then you can find this one easily. Here two equations you can take. Here this is 2 by 2 matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. So you can equate corresponding terms. Correct. So first you have to take 2A plus B is equal to 4. Then A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. From that you can find A and B. Then you have to write 5C minus D. Then 4C plus 3D. 5C minus D is equal to 11. 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. From that you can find C and D. Come, let's do. So first equation 2A plus B is equal to 4. Let's take equation 1. Then A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. This is equation 2. Here B, here minus 2B. Correct. We have to cancel one term. So you have to multiply this first equation into 2. So 1 into 2 implies 4A plus 2B is equal to A. Again you have to write this equation here. So A minus 2B is equal to minus 3. Here plus, here minus. So you have to add, then only you will get this term as 0. So you have to add this one. Correct. So 4A plus A, 5A plus 0, which is equal to 8 minus 3, 5. So what is A? A is equal to 5 by 5, which is equal to 1. So what is the value of A? 1. Then you have to substitute the value of A in this equation, any one of this equation. So I am substituting this equation in 2. So here A, 1 minus 2B is equal to minus 3. So minus 2B is equal to minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 4. This implies B is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 2, which is equal to 2. So what is the value of B? 2. So we got A and B. Then you have to take equations in C and D. So 5C minus D is equal to 11. Then 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. this equation 3, then 4. Here 3D, here D only. So you have to multiply this equation into 3. So 3 into 3 implies 15C minus 3D, which is equal to 33. Then again you have to write the fourth equation. 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. Here minus 3D plus 3D. So you have to add these two equations. Then you will get this term as 0. So here 19C plus 0, which is equal to 57. So C is equal to 57 divided by 19, which is equal to 3. So what is the value of C? 3. Then you have to substitute this 3 into any one of this equation. I am substituting this in equation number 3. So 5 into this 3 minus D is equal to 11. So 15 minus D is equal to 11. This implies minus D is equal to 11 minus 15, which is equal to minus 4. So what is D? Here also minus, here also minus. So D is equal to 4. So what are the values of A, B, C, D? A1, B2, then C3, D4. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. But in question we have to find A plus B minus C plus 2D. So we have to find that one. A plus B minus C plus 2D, which is equal to, you have to substitute all the values here. So 1 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 into 4, which is equal to 3 minus 3 plus A cancel, which is equal to A. So option A is correct. Now I am showing this question and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to sixth question. Given that matrices A and B are of order 3 by n and m by 5 respectively, then the order of matrix C is equal to 5A plus 3B is. They have given options. Here order of A is 3 by n, correct? So what is order of A? Order of A is 3 by n. So what is order of 5A? Order of 5A is equal to again 3 by n. Then you have to find order of B. So what is order of B? From here m by 5. So order of, we need order of 3B, correct? So order of 3B is equal to again m by 5. Then you have to find order of 5A plus 3B. Here 3 by n, here m by 5, correct? So when this 5A plus 3B is defined, here 3 by n, here m by 5, correct? If this is equal to this, m is equal to n, then 5A plus 3B is defined. So what is order of 5A plus 3B? Which is equal to 3 by 5. But condition is m is equal to n and m is equal to n. So what is the option? Option A is correct. Now I am showing this question and answer. If you want, you can write. Let's move on to seventh question. Given that A is equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha and A square is equal to 3i, then which one is correct? Let's do. So they have given A is equal to alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha and A square is equal to 3i. Then we have to substitute A here. A square means A into A. So alpha, beta, then gamma minus alpha into alpha, beta, gamma minus alpha which is equal to 3 into I means here 2 by 2 matrix, correct? So you have to write here also 2 by 2 identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Then you have to multiply these two. So alpha square plus beta gamma, then alpha beta minus alpha beta, no, yes, again alpha gamma minus alpha gamma, then beta gamma plus alpha square, which is equal to, how to multiply 3 with this one. So 3 0 0 3. This implies here alpha square plus beta gamma, here 0, here alpha gamma minus alpha gamma 0, here alpha square plus beta gamma, which is equal to 3 0 0 3. So here also alpha square plus beta gamma, here also alpha square plus beta gamma. So you can equate the corresponding terms. Here also 2 by 2 matrix, here also 2 by 2 matrix. So alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 0. Here also alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 3. So alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 3. So you can write 3 minus alpha square minus beta gamma, which is equal to 0. Depend upon the question, you can write here also 3 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. So this is the question. Then this is the answer. This term 0 and this term also 0. Let's move on to 8th question. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then you have to check which one is correct. AB is symmetric matrix, A minus B is Q symmetric matrix, AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix, AB minus BA is a symmetric matrix. So we have to check one by one. If you know, you can choose. If you guess, you can select the options. A and B are symmetric matrices, correct? So A dash is equal to A, B is symmetric means B dash is equal to B. First you have to check first option, AB is a symmetric matrix, you have to find. So AB the whole dash is equal to B dash A dash, which is equal to BA. You have to substitute this value here, so you got BA. But what is the condition for symmetric matrix? A dash is equal to B. If AB is a symmetric matrix, you have to get AB the whole dash is equal to AB. But here BA. So first option is not correct. Then you have to check second one, A minus B the whole dash, which is equal to A dash minus B dash, which is equal to A minus B. You have to substitute the values here. Here A minus B the whole dash is equal to A minus B means A minus B is symmetric matrix, but in options they have given skew symmetric, so this is also not correct. Then you have to take AB plus BA. So AB plus BA the whole dash is equal to AB the whole dash plus BA the whole dash, which is equal to B dash A dash plus A dash B dash. Why? Because AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So you have to substitute this here. So then you have to substitute the values of this here. A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B. So BA plus AB. You can interchange this one, AB plus BA. So what you got, AB plus BA the whole dash is equal to AB plus BA. So what is AB plus BA? Is symmetric matrix. So option C they have given AB plus BA is a symmetric matrix. So option C is correct. So this is the problem. Here I checked this option 4 also. Here option 4 we got skew symmetric only, but in question they have given symmetric matrix. So option C is D also wrong. Next move on to 9th question. If A is equal to this matrix, then A plus A dash is equal to I if the value of A is this one. So they have given matrix and also a plus a dash is equal to I. When a plus a dash is equal to I, if a is equal to what? You have to find. So first you have to write a. What is a? Cos a minus cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. And they have given a plus a dash is equal to I. A dash means you have to interchange rows and columns, correct? So first you have to write a here. So cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha plus a dash you have to write. So cos alpha, here this minus sin will come, then sin alpha cos alpha, which is equal to I. Here 2 by 2 matrix, correct? So identity matrix you have to write 2 by 2 identity matrix. Then you have to add this one. So cos alpha plus cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha. Here sin alpha minus sin alpha. Then cos alpha plus cos alpha, which is equal to 1 0 0 1. Here minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0. Here 0. Here 2 cos alpha 0 0 2 cos alpha, which is equal to 1 0 0 1. Here 2 by 2 matrix, here also 2 by 2 matrix, so you can equate. So 2 cos alpha is equal to 1, here also 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. So this implies cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to pi by 3. So which is the option? Option B is correct. Now I am showing question and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to 10th question. If matrix A is equal to Aij, where Aij is equal to 1 if I not equal to j, 0 otherwise, then A square is equal to which one? They have given A and Aij also they have given. Then we have to find A square. Here they didn't mention order of matrix. Let's take order as 2 by 2. So A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Aij they have given as 1 if I not equal to j, 0 otherwise. So you have to substitute here. A11 means here 0. A12 means 1 is not equal to 2, correct? So value is 1. 2 not equal to 1. Here 2 is equal to 2. So 0. So A is equal to this much you got. Then you have to find A square, correct? So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then you have to multiply. 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0, 1 into 1. Then this one, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Here 1 into 1, 1. Here 0. Here 0, here 1. So we got identity matrix, correct? So what is the option? Option A is correct. So this is the question and answer. If you want, you can write. Now let's move on to 11th question. If this matrix plus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of x is. This one they have given, we have to find the value of x. This one they have given, we have to simplify it, then we can find this answer. So how to write this one? 2 into this one, x into 1 minus 9 into x. Then minus 3 into x into 1 minus 4 into x. 3 into this minus this. then plus 2 into 9 into x minus 4 into x. 9 into x minus 4 into x. Plus 3 you have to write, don't forget to write. So this implies 2 into x minus 9x minus 3 into here x minus 4x minus 3 into here x minus 4x plus 2 into 9x minus 4x plus 3 which is equal to 0. So this implies 2 into x minus 9x minus 8x minus 3 into x minus 4x minus 3x plus 2 into 9x minus 4x 5x plus 3 which is equal to 0. This implies minus 16x minus and minus plus 9x plus 2 into 5x 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this implies what is minus 16x plus 10x minus 6x. So minus 6x plus 9x 3x. So 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this implies 3x is equal to minus 3. This implies x is equal to minus 3 by 3 which is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 1. So what is the answer? X is equal to minus 1. Option C is the correct answer. So I am showing this question and answer. If you want, you can write. Now let's move on to 12th question. If a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then A dash is dash. We have to find A dash. They have given A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then we have to write A dash, correct. A dash means we have to interchange rows and columns. So 1, 2, 3. Then we have to find A dash which is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Which is equal to 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, plus 3 into 3, 9. Don't forget to put this bracket. This is equal to 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So, 14 is the answer. So, option D is the correct answer. So, this is the question and this is the answer. Next move on to 13th question. The matrix, this one is a dash matrix, identity matrix, symmetric matrix, Q-symmetric matrix, none. So, we have to take first A dash. This is A, then this is A dash. So, you can see A is equal to A dash or A dash is equal to A. A dash is equal to A means A is symmetric matrix. So, option B is correct. So, this is the question. And this is the answer. Now, let's move on to 14th question. The matrix, this one is dash matrix, diagonal matrix, symmetric matrix, Q-symmetric or scalar matrix. So, A they have given. So, we have to find A dash. So, see, we have to interchange rows and columns. So, 0, minus 5, 8, then 5, 0, 12, minus 8, minus 12, 0. So, this is equal to here, you see numbers are same, sign only different, okay. So, you have to change the minus sign outside, then you can write 0, 5, minus 8. If you are taking this minus sign outside, you have to change all signs. If plus is there, you have to put minus sign. If minus is there, you have to put plus sign. So, minus 5, 0, minus 12, then 8, 12, 0. So, which is equal to, this is same as A. So, which is equal to minus A. So, we got A dash is equal to minus A, correct. So, if A dash is equal to minus A means A is skew-symmetric matrix. One more thing, from this also you can write directly. You see here numbers are same here, but the signs only different. So you can tell from this matrix A dash is equal to minus A. So A is symmetric, skew symmetric matrix. So option C is the correct answer, skew symmetric matrix. So this is the problem. And this is the answer. Now let's move on to 15th question. Find the value of A, B, C and D from the equation. They have given one equation. From this you have to find A, B, C, D. Here you see, first you have to take the equation in A and B. Here A minus B, here 2A minus B, correct? So this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So you can equate the corresponding elements. So A minus B is equal to minus 1 and also 2A minus B is equal to 0. From this you can find the value of A and B. Then that value, how to substitute the value A here, you will get the value of C. Here you have to substitute the value of C, you will get D. Like this we have to do. So first of all we have to equate this one. A minus B is equal to minus 1. Then 2A minus B is equal to 0. Let's take this as equation 1. This is equation number 2. Here minus B, same sign. So you have to minus from 1. So 1 minus 2 implies minus A. This will become plus. So this term will become 0. So plus 0 minus 1. This implies A is equal to 1. So the value of A is equal to 1. Substitute the value of A in any one of this equation. So I am substituting this A, the value of A in equation number 1. So A minus B is equal to minus 1, correct? This implies instead of A we have to put this value 1 minus B is equal to minus 1. This implies minus B is equal to minus 1 minus 1. This implies minus B is equal to minus 2. This implies B is equal to 2. So we got the value of B. Then you have to write this equation. 2A plus C is equal to 5. So 2A plus C is equal to 5. Here you can substitute the value of A. So 2 into 1 plus C is equal to 5. This implies 2 plus C is equal to 5. This implies C is equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So we got C is equal to 3. Then you have to take this one. 3C plus D is equal to 13. So 3C plus D is equal to 13. This implies you have to substitute the value of C here. So 3 into this value 3 plus D is equal to 13. This implies 9 plus D is equal to 13. So what is the value of D? 13 minus 9, which is equal to 4. So what is the value of D? 4. So A1, B2, C3, D4. So this is the problem and answer. If you want you can write. Next move on to 16th question. The value of this one they have given. We have to find the value of this one. First you have to multiply cos theta with this matrix and sin theta with this matrix. Then we have to add, then we will get the answer. So this one first you have to multiply with all the elements. So cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta. Then cos square theta plus we have to multiply sin theta with all. So sin square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, then sin square theta. So which is equal to, then you have to add this one. Here plus sign is there, correct? So we have to add the corresponding elements. So cos square theta plus sin square theta. So here cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here this plus this. So minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Here sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta. So this is equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Here 0, here also 0, here 1. So This is the answer. So option B is correct. So this is the question and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to 17th question. If A is equal to this one, we have to find 3A. A they have given, then we have to find 3A. 3A means you have to multiply 3 with all the numbers, that's it. So here A, then 3A is equal to 3 into this matrix. So 3, 1, 1.5, root 5, 7, minus 3, 2, 0, 5. Then you have to multiply 3 with all numbers. So which is equal to 9, then 3, 1.5 into 3, 4.5, then 3 into root 5, then 21 minus 9, then 6, 0, 15. So this is the answer. So what is here? This option B is correct. So this is the question and answer. Next, let's move on to 18th question. A diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix if all its diagonal elements are equal, different, 0 or 1. Diagonal matrix is said to be scalar. This is the definition. If all its diagonal elements are what? Equal. Should be equal. Then the diagonal matrix is said to be scalar matrix. Then next, let's move on to 19th question. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by this one. First, we have to construct 3 by 2 matrix with this one. Let's do. So 3 by 2 matrix means 3 rows and 2 columns, correct? We have to write like this: A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. We have to find all the values A11 separately because this is little bit difficult to do. Aij is equal to 1 by 2 I minus 3j modulus. So first you have to find A11. A11 means in the place of I we have to substitute 1. In the place of j we have to substitute this one. So 1 by 2 into modulus 1 minus 3 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 modulus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus minus 2. Modulus minus 2 also 2 only. So 1 by 2 into 2, which is equal to 1. So A11 is equal to 1. Then we have to find A12. Same like this we have to do. So 1 by 2 into modulus 1 minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus minus 5, which is equal to modulus minus 5 same as 5. So 5 by 2. Next, A21. A21 is equal to 1 by 2 into, here I is 2, correct. So 2 minus 3 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus minus 1. Modulus 1 is, minus 1 is same as 1. So 1 by 2. Again you have to find A22. 1 by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus minus 4, which is equal to 4 by 2. Modulus minus 4 is same as 4, which is equal to 2. Then we have to find A31. Here I is 3, j is 1. So 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. So answer is 0. Then A32, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 6, which is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus minus 3, which is equal to 3 by 2. So we got all the answer. Then we have to substitute all the values here. So A is equal to 1, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 2, 0, 3 by 2. So this is the answer. So this is the problem. If you want, you can write. 20th question. If matrix A is equal to this one and A square is equal to Ka, what is the value of K? We have to find the value of K. We have to substitute A here, then we will get the value of K. So A is equal to this one and they have given A square is equal to Ka. So A square means A into A, correct? So 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1, which is equal to K into, we have to substitute the value of A here. So 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1. Then we have to multiply this. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 1, then minus 1 minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 1. Here plus 1 plus 1. Which is equal to K into 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1. This implies 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2, which is equal to K 1 minus 1. Here we have to multiply K with all the numbers. So here K minus K minus K, K. So what is the value of K from here? So K is equal to 2. Here also minus K is equal to minus 2 means K is equal to 2. So what is the value of K? K is equal to 2. So this is the question and answer. Now let's move on to 21st question. A and B are two matrices, then difference A minus B is defined when A and B are of same order or A and B are of different order. What is the answer? A is correct. If A minus B is defined when A and B are of same order, otherwise A minus B is not defined. So this is the answer. Now let's move on to 22nd question. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to this matrix and x minus y is equal to this matrix. First of all, we have to find x plus y plus x minus y. From this you can find x. So this is x plus y, this is x minus y. We have to add these two matrices, x plus y plus x minus y, which is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 plus 3, 6, 0 minus 1. Which is equal to 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 0, 9 minus 1, 8. So here x plus y, correct, x plus y plus x minus y. Here minus 1 will get cancelled. Then this implies 2x is equal to 8, 8, 0, 8. So from this we can find the value of x. So this implies x is equal to, here 2 will go this side, so 1 by 2, 8, 8, 0, 8, which is equal to, so 8 by 2, 4, 8 by 2, 4, here 0, 4. So what is the value of x? 4, 4, 0, 4. Then we have to subtract this one from this. So x plus y minus x minus y, which is equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus 3, 6, 0 minus. So this implies you have to change this bracket. So x plus y minus x minus of minus plus y equal to 5 minus 3, 2, then 2 minus 6 minus 4, then 0 minus 0, 0, then 9 minus of minus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Here x minus x 0, so 2y, which is equal to 2 minus 4, 0, 10. Therefore, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 1 by 2, 2, 4, 0, 10. So which is equal to 2 by 2, 1, 4 by 2, 2, 0 by 2, 0, 10 by 2, 5. So here minus. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to 1 minus 2, 0, 5. So this is the question. Let's move on to 23rd question. Find A, B if A is equal to 6, 9, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. So we have to find AB. So this is A and this is B. So order of A is 2 by 2. Order of B is 2 by 3. Here, so if number of columns of A is equal to number of rows in B, we can find AB. AB is defined. So AB is equal to 6, 9, 2, 3, 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. So which is equal to 6 into 2 plus like this, 9 into 7, then 6 into 6 plus 9 into 9, 6 into 0 plus 9 into 8, then 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7, 2 into 6 plus 3 into 9, then 2 into 0 plus 3 into 8. Then we have to simplify it. 6 into 2, 12 plus 63, here 36 plus 81, here 0 plus 72, here 4 plus 21, here 12 plus 27, here 0 plus 24. So which is equal to 75, 117, 72, 25, 39, 24. So this is the answer. So if you want to find the value of A, B, first you have to check number of columns of A and number of rows of B. So this is the question. Next move on to 24th question. If A and B are respectively M by N, K by L matrices, then both A, B and B are defined if and only. So two matrices they are given. Order of A is M by N, order of B is K by L. Then when A, B and B, A both defined if and only if this answer A is correct. This M should be equal to L and N should be equal to K. So this answer is correct. Next move on to 25th question. If A, B are two matrices and if AB is defined, then BA is defined or BA is not defined or BA need not be defined. Here we have to see. Let's take one example. If AB is equal to, here this example we can take, here 2 by 2 matrix, here 2 by 3 matrix. AB is defined, but we have to check BA is defined. B check BA. BA means here B means 2 by 3 matrix, correct? A is 2 by 2 matrix. This 3 is not equal to 2. So this BA is not defined. So we cannot say for some problem BA is defined, for some problem BA is not defined. So we can say this answer BA need not be defined. So option C is correct. Hope these 25 questions all you understood. If you like, you share it to your friends and relatives. Thank you.